Hi, girls and boys. I have a new story for you. It's called Pigs Make Me Sneeze by Mo Williams. This picture reminds me of Nick. I went to visit him last weekend at school, and his room had tissues all over it, and he asked me to bring him 3 more boxes. I asked Nick, what's going on? He said, oh, Mom, I have really bad allergies, and my nose just won't stop running. Poor guy. I hope you feel better, Nick, if you're listening to this with my boys and girls. All right, here we go. Let's see what's going on with Gerald. Maybe he has allergies too. Pigs Make Me Sneeze by Mo Williams. Uh-oh. Looks like he's going to sneeze. Pigs Make Me Sneeze by Mo Williams. Gerald. I love how happy Piggy always is to see his friend. What do you want to do today? I want, yes. What? A ball? A swim? A hat? Achoo! Oh no. Sniff. Are you okay? I don't know. Achoo! I cannot stop snatchoo! Poor guy. Sneezing. Oh no. What if pigs make me sneeze? Achoo! What if you try to sneeze more softly? Sorry. But if pigs do make me sneeze, then I cannot be near you. Then we cannot be friends. Then we must be apart forever. Where? But Gerald, no, don't speak. It's too late. Piggy's smart. She's putting on a helmet. Choo. Goodbye. Gerald. Ooh, Cat's a doctor. She's wearing a telescope. Sniff. Are you okay, Gerald? No, I'm not okay, Dr. Cat. Pigs make me sneeze. And Piggy is a pig. Piggy is also my best friend. Choo! Great. Now cats make me sneeze too. Thud. I do not think pigs make you sneeze, and I do not think cats make you sneeze. I think you have a cold. A cold? You are sick. I am sick. Oh, thank you, doctor. Piggy, great news. I've never seen anyone this happy to be sick. I have a cold. Good for you. Oh, no. It looks like Piggy has a cold, too. Oh, she does. She's sick. Oh, I know. Whenever we get a cold, we have to really be careful not to make the people around us sick, too. All right, boys and girls, remember to show respect, solve problems, make good decisions, and be kind.